Every day, people are assembling products, whether it's a consumer, your internal assembly team, or your biggest customer. Leaving things open to interpretation can cost you time and money. Don't leave anything to chance. Deliver a clear, compelling message on any device or on paper. SOLIDWORKS Composer empowers your team to create robust deliverables that set you apart from your competition and drastically reduce traditional development time, saving you on overhead costs and improving your customer's experience. Contact us today to find out if Composer can make a difference for your team.